Howdy and shalom. Howdy and shalom. Howdy and shalom. This is a long song. Okay, so here's my second video. I'm probably gonna forget what I'm saying, so I'm gonna have to record this over again. So we're gonna do. What am I doing? Oh, so I installed OBS already. Now I think it's on my start screen. Let me scroll down. I don't tend to use the right words for things, if you notice, because my son would probably be like, "It's not called the start screen, mother." Well, he doesn't talk like that anyway. But okay, yeah. So it's already there. But I do like free. I definitely don't want an obstacle like, well, $30. I can't afford that. So no, OBS is free. A bunch of other stuff is free. I do have access to PowerPoint, which is all fancy, but you don't really need PowerPoint. You can make a video. So while I'm waiting, I'm babbling, and then there's a rock, and that is Mount Ararat in the background. Alright, oops, I meant to accidentally. I thought I edited that out. Okay, so then we're going to. I already forgot what I was talking about. I knew I had a purpose for all this being here. Okay, I'm not really familiar with OBS, but I mean, some of this, it's kind of, if you can figure out GIMP or Olive Studio, you can figure out OBS, right? And think about it. There's so many people that are like, oh yeah, I'm live streaming. What am I doing? What do I click? And they're not like tech geniuses, right? So, I mean, some of us are, some of us aren't, but yeah, so let's see. OBS, Dak, you gotta keep it down. It's on the air. I need a big sign that says on air. Haha. Okay, so I don't know, I'm just clicking buttons right now because I'm not really sure what I'm doing. Like I said, if you can figure out GIMP or OBS, it says OBS. If you can figure out GIMP or Olive Video Editor, this should be a breeze. There's not a lot to it, looks like. I don't know, I'm just clicking around. So let's see. This looks like I can do something with an image and then put it in there. I don't know. Hide from who? I don't know. Oh no, it says make source visible. Yeah, make source visible. Make source visible to who? I don't know. Doesn't sound like I want to make source visible, right? I mean, why would I need that? So browse, that's probably my files, right? My file browser. Unload image. Why not show? Sure, why not? Okay, let's click that. I don't like to click a lot of buttons all at once. I do like to kind of play around with stuff that's self-explanatory. In my opinion, a lot of applications are not very user-friendly. So, okay, so then I figured out, here's the, where I want to go next. There's videos, but there's also like tutorials, and this one, I didn't like it. I got off of it. I kind of looked around, too much to click. Add a circle face cam. Let's talk about circular, right? Kept on clicking buttons. I'm like, no, just give me a tutorial, right? Step 1, step 2, right? Oh, okay, here we go. Wiki. Usually, if there's a wiki, it's a very organized. If I had seen that first, I would have clicked on it. Wiki, OBS Studio Quick Start. So let's go ahead and, yeah, 4 steps. I can do that. Okay, what does this say? Mac OS users. If you're on Mac, you'll need an extra app to capture desktop audio. This is due to limitations in Mac OS that provide no direct capture methods for desktop audio devices. Okay, that's good to know. I 70% don't really understand what that means. I do, I guess. I don't know. Anyway. But 4 steps, that's not Seems simple, but I'm gonna go back. I kind of tend to go, back and forth between written instructions and videos. These guys, Stream Geeks, I downloaded a 134 page PDF, and if you go through there, they also have a course on Udemy, and there is a promo code in there, which yeah, why not, right? It was like $13 on sale, right? Don't never pay retail, right? Like $19.99. So on sale for $13, and then it's a good deal, right? But they did have a promo code in their PDF file. I forget where I found that PDF. Hey, click buttons. Why not, right? Just remember, right click is your friend. And then, okay, so this guy, if I'm going to look at videos, this one has over 400,000 views. Learn everything in OBS in 30 minutes. Sounds great. You're going to learn about American music. Michael Jackson, right? Okay, so here's Michael Jackson. Learn everything. OBS, oh no, I'm sorry, not Stream Geeks. How to Tech. So, and I added this to my playlist, so we have it saved. This right here, by the way, that text string is the video ID. So if you're in a live chat and you can't, it says you're not, please delete any links. Throw in the video ID link, just without the HTTP, and yeah, it'll go through. And then, give a nice little description, who it is, what it's about. That's my 2 cents worth. Okay, so there's your homework. Yeah. And hey, if you find something else, 30 minutes sounds good to me. I think I can watch that and then take notes and go on to the next step. All right, y'all take care.